Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the second space on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now this feature basically allows you to separate, be it work from personal life, and you can set it up easily on your Redmi Note 14. All you have to do is simply open the settings, and then scroll down within the settings and select additional settings. And then scroll down and select second space, tap on it, and then all you have to do is simply tap on turn on second space, and then now it will try to create a second space on your device. And then from here you will see a brief description: 2 spaces, 1 device. Simply tap on continue, and then you can choose to switch between the spaces if you like to use a password for that, or if you'd like to use a shortcut. So I'll just select use a shortcut and then tap on continue. Then if you'd like to set a password for that second space, you can simply tap on set now if you'd want, but if you don't want to, you can simply tap on skip, then give it a few seconds, and there you go. You have successfully set up your second space on your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to set up the second space on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.